Hey, I'm Jerry, founder of Culinary Analytics. Today I want to talk to you about how our predictive analytics model revolutionizes your ordering as well as your production processes. Check this out. So, most managers utilize what I call mental muscle memory to make decisions. This is a process of using what they have stored in their mind from past performance to predict future performance. Well, predictive analytics isn't much different. However, what is different is the margin of error between mental muscle memory and a machine learning model that we've employed in our system. And what does that mean? So, if scientists typically say we can get things within inside of a 5% margin of error, how big of the error do you think you're making as an operator who uses mental muscle memory? Right? So let's say you're making a 10% or 15% error. If we can reduce you from a 15% error to a 10% error, to a 5% error, you're talking about a 10% margin of improvement. That 10% goes to your bottom line. And if you're doing $1 million a year in revenue, that's $100,000 improvement. Now, you compound that with being able to utilize the same thought process on payroll and your labor practices, and you can easily see 10 to 15% improvement in your income. Very simple math, but it's all built in the system. Comes standard with every subscription you do. So let's talk about how now the same predictive model then revolutionize how you actually operate your business. Well, what this also does is it scales your recipes for production based on that predictive analytics. Well, we don't just tell you what to do. We provide you with a relative guess that says that we believe you're going to do X, Y, Z in sales tomorrow. Let's just say we think you're going to do 10. You're going to sell 10 of these items tomorrow. You then look at this information along with some other data points that would give you, like what did you do last year the same day? What did you do last week the same day? What is your 12-week running average? And you get to say, okay, 10 does or does not make sense compared to these other data points. You confirm those data points, you hit submit, you do this through every menu item. We then going to export that data into a scaled recipe. And what does that mean? That means that we're going to be able to tell you how many pounds of onions, garlic, and any other ingredients you need to do all the business predicted for tomorrow. That fancy sheet is also easily dubbed into a prep cook list. So now your prep cook comes in and has a list of things that they need to prepare for the cook to easily grab, use, and execute their recipes for the day. This is the power of culinary analytics in your restaurant. Book a free consultation now and let us help you revolutionize your operations and make you more profitable.